Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make this cute stitch. It's very easy to make. We will only use double crochet so beginners can make it. You can make blankets, scarves, hats, bags, anything with this. And for this one I use a category 3 yarn with 4mm hook, but I keep my tension loose, so if you can't, you can use a 4.5mm hook with a category 3 yarn or any yarn with recommended hook. And hope you like this one too. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you can find the link below, and we can start now. Start with a slip knot. For this stitch you will need an even number. I'm gonna make a small sample right now, so I made 16 chains. Yarn over, turn back and skip 1, 2, 3. Insert into the 4th stitch. Grab the yarn. We are gonna make 2 double crochets together. That means you're gonna grab the yarn, pull through 2 and leave it with this way. Count these 3 chains as the first double crochet, and starting from here we will make 2 doubles together till the end. Yarn over, insert into this next stitch, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2. I have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all. Then make a chain. Now we will repeat this. Insert into this next stitch, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2. Insert into this next stitch, grab the yarn, pull this loop a little bit, okay? Pull through 2, yarn over and pull through all. Then make a chain. And we will repeat this till the end. Don't forget the chains. By the way, I made this. I made it up. This stitch. I'm sure there is similar ones, or maybe even this one exists, but I haven't seen it. I just want to make a good stitch for blankets, and this happens. Now I made the last one. I'm gonna make a chain, and into this last chain I'm gonna put a double crochet. Chain 3 is a double crochet. Turn, and that's the second row. It's just a 2-row repeat. Yarn over. You see this space, we are gonna skip this. You see this stitch, we are gonna skip this. We will insert into this next 1 chain space and make a double crochet. Pull through 2, pull through 2. Yarn over, turn back and into this first 1 chain space, make a double crochet. And that's all. Okay, insert into this next empty space, make it double, turn back and make a double space before this one. Find empty space, make it double, turn back and make one more double. As I told you, I'm keeping my tension loose. Insert into this last space, make it double, turn back and make one more, then yarn over into this third chain. I'm gonna make a double crochet, chain 3 and turn. Now we will repeat this. You see this stitch, insert, pull the yarn over, pull through 2, insert into the next, make half of a double crochet, yarn over, pull through all. If you realize we made 3 chains as a double crochet, we didn't make another chain here. It's not necessary. Chain 1, insert into the next stitch and next stitch, make 2 doubles together, chain 1, and that's all we are gonna repeat. It's very easy, as you can see. Into this third chain, I'm gonna put a double crochet, and I will show you the second row one last time. Chain 3, turn, skip here, insert into the next space, put a double, turn back and put a double. Turn back and put a double, and as you can see, it's getting bigger easily, so you can make a fast and easy blanket with this. I think it works beautifully with a paper yarn. You can make a bag with this. Maybe I could make one. Okay, that's the last one. And insert into this third chain, make a double crochet. And that's all. Hope you like this tutorial. If you like, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's totally free. Sirin Crochet is my Instagram address. It's also my Etsy website, Ravelry, Pinterest. You can find me anywhere you want. That's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day. Bye.